How to calm the mind when you can't stop thinking. Do you ever feel like your mind just won't stop? One moment you are trying to study, the next you are thinking about a conversation from last week. Then worrying about the future, your credits, your friends, even what you will become. You are not alone. Even during the time of the Buddha, people struggled with restlessness and overthinking, even monks. There is one powerful story about this, the story of Venerable Sauna, a monk who wanted peace but didn't know how to calm his own mind. Venerable Sauna was a nobleman before he became a monk. He was raised in a wealthy home and he was known to be gentle and disciplined. After hearing the Dharma, Sauna chose to leave everything behind and become a monk, determined to reach enlightenment. But after some time, he grew frustrated. He was trying very hard, meditating for long hours, walking for miles in walking meditation, until the skin on his feet began to crack and bleed. Yet still his mind wouldn't settle. He felt no peace. He thought to himself, I gave up everything I practiced with all my strength and still am not getting anywhere. Maybe I should give up the monkhood and go back to lay life, do good deeds, be generous, and try again in my next life. Sensing his struggle, the Buddha came to Sauna and asked, Sauna, before you became a monk, you used to play the lute, didn't you? Yes, Lord, replied Sauna. And when the string of the lute were too tight, was it tuneful? No, Lord. And what the string were too loose, was it tuneful? Also not tuneful, Lord. But when the strings were neither too tight nor too loose, just right, how did it sound? Then, Lord, it produced a beautiful sound. The Buddha smiled and said, in the same way, Sauna, effort that is too intense leads to restlessness, and too little effort leads to laziness, but balanced effort leads to peace. The story has a deep lesson for all of us. Sometimes we try too hard. We pressure ourselves to be perfect, to succeed, to do more and more, but too much tension makes the mind more restless. Other times, we don't try at all. We let go completely, but without effort, nothing changes. The Buddha's way is the middle path, not too tight, not too loose. And when the mind is balanced, it becomes calm. Let me share you about the practical tip, mindfulness of breathing. The best place to begin calming your mind is with your breath. Let's try it together now. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Feel the air moving in. Hold for just a moment. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. As you breathe, notice what's happening in your body. Do your shoulders feel tight? Let them drop. Do your thoughts try to come back? Just smile gently at them and return to your breath. You don't have to block the thoughts. You don't have to fix anything. You just need to be aware. The breath brings you hope. Let me show for student life tip to make yourself calm before study or sleep. My beloved student, next time you feel overwhelmed by school or can't concentrate on your studies, pause. Place your hands on your knees, close your eyes, and take 3 mindful breaths. Please try this before bed. Try it before your exams. Try it when your mind is full. The breath will not erase the problems, but it will give you clarity, and clarity is the beginning of peace. The Buddha taught right effort as one part of the Noble Eightfold Path. It means not pushing too hard and not being lazy. Just enough effort every day, steadily. Even just 5 minutes of mindful breathing each day can bring calm to your thoughts and confidence to your heart. Dear my listeners, you are not your overthinking. You are not your worry. You are the one who sees those thoughts and can choose peace. Start with one breath. Start with kindness to your soul and walk the middle way. One mindful step, one peaceful breath at a time. Now, sit still and repeat silently with your breath. Inhale, breath in, I calm my mind. Exhale, breath out, I let go. Inhale, I return now. Exhale, this moment is enough. My dear beloved friend, when the strings are neither too tight nor too loose, the lute plays beautifully. Enjoy. Peace.